Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make brownies vegan. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need all-purpose flour, cocoa powder, sugar, a leavening agent, and a few key plant-based substitutes. We'll focus on creating that classic brownie taste and texture using readily available items. This easy method ensures delicious results every time, even for beginner bakers. The magic of vegan brownies lies in smart substitutions. For milk, choose any plant-based variety you prefer, like almond or oat milk. Instead of eggs, a flax egg, made from 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed and 3 tablespoons of water, works wonderfully as a binder. You can also use a 1/4 cup of unsweetened applesauce. For fat, vegan butter or a neutral oil like canola or vegetable oil are excellent choices. Achieving the perfect vegan brownie texture is all about technique. Start by whisking your dry ingredients together in one bowl. In a separate bowl, combine all your wet ingredients. Then, gently fold the wet into the dry until just combined. Overmixing can lead to tough brownies. Pour the batter into a prepared pan and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 to 30 minutes. A toothpick inserted should come out with moist crumbs. Once your vegan brownies are baked, the hardest part is waiting for them to cool. Letting them cool completely ensures clean, fudgy slices. Store any leftovers in an airtight container at room temperature, where they'll stay fresh for several days. These delicious treats are perfect on their own, or you can serve them warm with a scoop of vegan vanilla ice cream or a sprinkle of powdered sugar. Enjoy your homemade vegan brownies.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.